Please, in 2025, let's all learn a new skill. Let's forget about buying and selling for some time. At least try and make money online from one source. Let's talk about making money online. Yes. Let's not have it in our mind that, you know, this particular skill I have, a lot of people have this skill. So therefore, even if I come out with it, will people patronize me and all that? Please, the online space is big enough to accommodate each and every one of you. It is big enough. Everybody has that space in it. So please, don't suppress that skill. Make money out of that skill. I am interested in everyone, especially my women, empowering themselves, making a better life out of their lives, because you can't live with only one source of income. First of all, I'll talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just about you referring people to a particular product, but these products are digital products. For instance, you went to buy this dress. It's nice. When you go out, people compliment you. Oh, I like your dress. This dress is so nice. Oh, tailor made it for me. Okay, I'll give you directions to my tailor. Go to the tailor and get yours. That was just affiliate marketing. You referred someone to your tailor, and that person is a customer. The tailor is going to make money from that customer. So let's say you call your tailor and you tell the tailor, okay, I'm getting you a customer. Can you give me 5% from whatever you are going to charge the person, because I referred the person to you? Then your tailor will say, okay, you can, we'll have a contract on that. So whatever the person pays, I'm going to pay 5% to you. That was affiliate marketing. Okay, so that was just the literal meaning of it. I'm not saying you should go and refer people to your tailor or hairdresser and tell them you want a 5% discount, a 5% cut. No. So we are basically going to advertise digital products. Digital products can be ebooks, can be courses, can even be products that we have purchased online and we used that, we like it and we want to tell people about it. You go into contract with these companies. Amazon does it. A lot of, big shops does affiliate marketing. So you have a link to these products with your, like a particular link for you, so that whenever the person clicks on the link, whatever the person buys and all that will be in your name. So in simple terms, affiliate marketing is advertising digital products to people. Advertising online. You can advertise on your WhatsApp status. You can advertise on all your social media platforms. As simple as that. So all you need to do is register. Register with a particular company as their affiliate marketer, and you earn your profits from that. So for instance, if the person, let's say you are advertising for a particular book, and let's say the book costs 10 cedis, $10, there's always a percentage, right, on any product that you advertise as an affiliate marketer. So when someone purchases that book of 10 cedis or $10, if you are to earn 2% from it, then how much are you going to earn? Like 2 cedis or $2 from it, right? So assuming you're able to sell about 20 books in a day, that particular book, 20 people buy that particular book in a day, 20 times $2 or 2 cedis, how much is that? 40 cedis, $40. And if you do that for a month, how much is that? This is a passive income, let's not forget. So if you are home and you are receiving this money every day, or probably you are doing your 9 to 5, and this income keeps coming in, this is something that you are not actively working on. You have already created it, and it's a system that is making money for you. What do you think? Don't you think it's a good deal? Please read on it, okay? Read on companies that offer affiliate marketing. Sign up. Try. The next thing I'm going to talk about is being a virtual assistant. If you are someone who wants to, work remotely or work from the comfort of your home, you know, you don't want this 9 to 5 life, you don't want any stress, you want to be able to work at your own pace, at your own time, you can consider being a virtual assistant. Basically, it's just helping people to make their lives easy. It's just assisting people in their daily chores or activities from the comfort of your home. It's basically you being, let's say, a personal assistant or an executive assistant. It's basically about you assisting someone in whatever chores or whatever task the person has to perform. There are people who are handling a lot of businesses, and sometimes it gets so cumbersome that they are not able to be effective. So if you, as a virtual assistant or someone to help them, comes their way, they are definitely going to have an easy life, because you are going to reduce the workload on them. You can help with administrative tasks, you can help with social media management, you can help with their project management, a lot of things. This is a skill that everyone should be able to acquire. Learn about it, research on it. There are, companies or schools or institutes that are offering courses on being a virtual assistant. Register for it, acquire this skill. If you are someone who wants to be free from 9 to 5 hustle, and you think that you get fulfilled in making people's life easy by helping them in their daily task, please, please, please research on virtual assistants. Sign up and study or learn this skill so that you can be a professional at it, right? To be able to help others. There are so many tasks that virtual assistants can perform, okay? So you can find your niche, then you work with that. There are some virtual assistants who majorly do social media management. There are some who do project management. There are some who perform administrative tasks. There are some, you know, just helping with everything in general, provided you have that skill to make it work. You manage your clients' inbox, you manage their calendar, you set schedules and all that, meetings for them, then you're good to go. Let's not forget, you don't have to necessarily be present to be able to do that. You can do that from the comfort of your home, online. There are some websites that, advertise these online jobs for virtual assistants. Research. You will see a lot of people who need help. There are a lot of people who need help from people all over the world. You must not necessarily be in the presence of the person before you can offer some help. You can offer it from the comfort of your home. So please research on it and give it a try. In the online space, another thing you can also earn money from is creating an ebook. Ebook means electronic copy of a book. So let's not forget the cost of publishing and printing is out. So you are not even putting that much into making that book. Let's say if you are interested in cooking or you're a food blogger, you take pictures of nice meals that you have prepared. You get the ingredients, you write the recipe, you add that, you compile all that, then you create a book out of it. But this book is not going to be sold physically. This is something that you are going to sell online, and you can sell all over the world, even though you are not present in all the countries. But this is something that people will just download onto their phone and they have it with them. Okay, after creating this book, you get it ready and all that, you sell it on e-commerce platform, websites that cater for selling ebooks. So after you put in the hard work to get the book ready and post it on the website, you are done. All that is left is for you to advertise online to people that you have so and so link, they should click on it to purchase your book. And it's that simple. You continue making money from it even when you are aged, because it's just a link that people have to click on to purchase the book. All right. People are in need of a lot of skills to make their lives easy. You can be a freelancer in writing, a freelancer in editing, a freelancer in copywriting, email marketing, a whole lot. Freelancing here basically means that you are not tied to a particular organization. You are self-employed, working online. So you can work with over 5 companies if your capacity can do that. You can write for different companies. You can do email marketing for different companies at the same time in different countries. Okay. So if you are a freelancer, you are not tied to a particular organization. You can make money from anywhere. You can be employed by different people at different times in different locations. Okay, so you can also consider that. Acquire skills in editing, in writing, in email marketing, in virtual assistance, social media management, project management, a lot of skills. At least find one or two. Work on your portfolio. You will definitely get somebody that you can help, and the person is going to pay you back in return. You see, so if you are someone who you know doesn't like buying and selling and all that, you can acquire these skills and you can make money out of it. You can build a career out of these skills, and trust me, these skills are paying. People are making money from these skills. Let's not forget, you can be in Ghana and work in the US, work in India, work in different places, and you are going to be paid in those currencies. All right? So money is there to be made online. So let's all research and get on board, okay? At least if you can't grow your social media channel to monetize it, you can go into affiliate marketing. You can be a freelancer. You can train as a virtual assistant. You can do other things to make money online. So please, let's all consider that, and I'm sure our lives will get better. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video.